We can explore economic and social indicators of development by using various geographic information systems viewers. This viewer that I've got on here is Our World in Data, and on that website you can simply do some searches for topics in the top bar. So there's lots of things there. I've selected Our World in Data and Human Development Index. Here we've got a map of the Human Development Index. Remember, the closer you want to one, the more developed the country, based on 3 indicators. And the great thing about this website is you can select various countries. Let's say Norway. Pick France. Okay, or categories of countries like high-income countries, and we can play the data over time. So the nice thing is we can see change over time on that map, and you can do that for any economic or social indicator. The other resource I thought would be useful would be Gapminder. So here we've got gapminder.org, the website /resources, and looking at the proportional circles graphs, these are also useful to use for you to explore different social and economic indicators. So the one that comes up automatically is life expectancy. Again, you can select various countries to focus upon. So we could pick New Zealand. Okay, and we could also pick, let's pick Nigeria. Okay, and again, we've got GDP, life expectancy on this axis, and we can play that data over time as well. So hopefully that data will show over time that the bubbles here go from poor with low life expectancy and slowly move towards this top corner, level 4, wealthier with higher life expectancy. We can see there we're actually getting a trace there for New Zealand. We've got a trace for Nigeria, and we can see the other bubbles. The last thing to point out on this, the colours represent continents, so we can see continental trends. So all the African bubbles are blue, the Asian Pacific countries are in red. We've got yellow for Europe and Russia, and green for the Americas. So we can see there over time that we can play that over time. Just let it run right the way to the end, to 2024. So that's current. And then you've got other things you can do, such as ages, trends, ranks, and maps. So there's that data with population mapped. You hover over the bubble and it tells you the data, and it tells you the country name. Okay, so that's another really great website. And then the last one, which is a bit more, which is fun, is the Happy Planet Index. You can find out about it at this link here, but you can also explore the data. So if we click at it, it says click on a country to view its score. So obviously we're in the UK. United Kingdom's Happy Planet Index is good, 49.5. Okay, so you can see patterns there on that Happy Planet Index. You can download the data. There's a report as well, and the other useful tool is this one, data over time. It shows you which countries are getting happier and which ones are getting more miserable or unhappy. And you've got various graphs that you can look at as well underneath.